Hey guys, I'm Brent and welcome to the Daily Devo. Today, I want to ask you a question. What's your dash look like? So, one of my favorite communicators in the world is a comedian by the name of Steve Harvey. And I'll never forget hearing him give a motivational talk about the dash in a person's life. You see, when you and I leave this earth, our physical body will be buried in a cemetery, the headstone above, that will have our date of birth and our date of death. But between those two dates, you'll see a little dash. As simple as it is, the dash describes the life you lived while here on earth. And in Ecclesiastes chapter 3, verse number 2, Solomon says, there's a time to be born and a time to die. So my question to you and I is, what are we doing with the time in between? To be more specific, what does your dash look like? You see, as a believer, I recognize that I'm not simply living for today, but I'm living for eternity. My goal is that when I leave this earth and I see Jesus face to face, I want to hear him say those words, "Well done, thy good and faithful servant." My encouragement to you and to me is live your dash well. Live your dash as a fully committed disciple of Jesus. Live your dash in such a way that when you make it to heaven, the angels give you a standing ovation. So today, take some time to journal or meditate. Really think about what your dash looks like. Your time of birth, it's come and gone. Your time of death, well, that's yet to be determined. So what does your dash look like in between?